Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create animated cartoon videos in Canva. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for canva.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page where all of your recent projects will be present. Here, you just need to create a new blank video project, and in order to do that, click on this app tile. Now, navigate to the Elements tab and search for the type of background you would like to have. For me, I'm going to be using a classroom animation. For that, I will get a classroom image and place it in the background. After that, I will search for a teacher that will look good with my theme. As you can see, I've got the right model that fits into my animation concept. Once done, you can also try adding some extra stuff if you want, or you can just proceed to a new page. To do that, tap on the Add button and start creating another animation. To do that, search for a background and all of the models or elements that you would like to have in your animation. You can try adding as much as you like, but after you are done, you will need to add a transition between both of our scenes. So, hover the cursor between both pages and then click on the Add icon. Now, a bunch of transitions will be displayed in front of you. Simply select the preferred one, change its duration, and then start playing the video to analyze it. After you are done with the whole animation, you can share it with your friends or download it onto your PC. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.